Hi, I'm Chang Siang Pion from Tabio. In the past 7 years, I have worked on 1,500 indoor air quality management projects. I have conducted 1,500 indoor air quality management projects for sick building syndrome, sick car syndrome, microdust, allergy-free schools, as well as the allergy-free houses for Korea Childhood Leukemia Foundation. Today we will introduce the TS200 to prevent the COVID-19 outbreak. We also have a disinfector called Clean Fog for disinfecting over large areas. The model we introduce today is a daily disinfector that is closely related to our daily life, the Safe Check Zone TS200. There are a few things that are important in daily disinfection for COVID-19. For example, we wear masks to prevent droplets. Social distancing and measuring human body temperature is also important. The next most important step is washing our hands. Let me show you how the Tabio Safe Check Zone works. It disinfects the hands automatically. It does the non-contact hand disinfection automatically, as well as measuring human body temperature in 1 or 2 seconds. Let me show you again. It provides the measurement of human body temperature like this. Can we wear masks? I'll show you again because now most people are wearing masks. Now I'm wearing a mask. Let me see whether this will work while I'm wearing a mask, but showing only my eyes. It works well with hand disinfection. How this works if the person has a high body temperature, I'll show you how this works. I'll use the light because my body temperature is not high. We can disinfect our cell phone safer after using hand sanitizer if we have the time. You need to wipe the cell phone after using the disinfectant spray. How many sprays does each tank provide? There are some people asking this question. Each refill tank contains 10 liters inside. If you refill it once, you can disinfect 10,000 people's hands. You can refill the disinfectant when the gauge on the inside is indicating a shortage of disinfectant. As I established earlier, the most important aspect of daily disinfection is hand sanitization. There are thermal imaging cameras in public areas where disinfection options are available to the public. Though they are hand sanitizers, people are not using them. So I asked why they are not using them. They say they are not using the hand sanitizers provided because of the risk for secondary infections from touching the same pumps others have touched. There are also issues of asymptomatic cases. We cannot identify the infected by measuring their body temperature. Hand disinfection is highly necessary for those people. We can prevent droplet contamination by using masks, but it is impossible to prevent the outbreak of COVID-19 without social distancing or hand disinfection. Thus, we are recommending the Safety Check Zone TS200 that disinfects hands as well as measuring human body temperature.